Inip? Sinong inip? Ilang minutes yan?
Mga 10-ish.
Okay, 10 minutes. Let's go. It's kind of late. I know, guys. I'm sorry. Silap. Walang belt. At kung mag-ano dito, makikita yung brief, pare. So, inaantay ko lang yung belt. Pag dumating na si Toti, to start now. But I'm ready to go. Oh, yeah.
Guys, tomorrow the Wish Bus. Is that tomorrow?
Yeah, that's right.
The Wish Bus.
Guys, me and Lil Eddie are gonna be on the Wish Bus tomorrow. We're gonna be singing "Unlove You" live. So, abangan niyo po yan. We're on at 7:30. We're on at 7:30, and we'll see you guys there. It's gonna be at Eton Centris. So if you guys wanna come through, we're gonna be at Eton Centris, malapit sa Trinoma. 7:30 is our slot. Alright? 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 Yes, guys, nandito si Miss B, kaya medyo kinakabahan ako ng konti. Kasi first time niya,
Dati, ano lang tayo lang dalawa. Kuya ba, driver yung
Oo.
kasama. Ngayon nanonood na siya!
sana
Tomorrow, that was beautiful.
Sana hindi mawala ng boses. What do you guys think? Ito, Fedora, the KL hat, or Mr. B? What you guys think? KL or Mr. B? Oh dang, everybody's saying Mr. B. Walang nagsabi ng Fedora.
I told you.
Ako lang may gusto ng Pedora ka.
I told you what
You guys want this one?
Pero alam mo
Yes.
kasi, di ba,
I told you know why?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go out with this, and then after our set, I'm gonna come out with that.
Yeah.
I'll just do that.
It's fine. This gives me like
You guys like this one instead of that one? Are you
Yeah,
serious? Come on,
a
what?
billion%.
What? Oh, this one? Look at my chan, buddy. Wanna see that one? Oh yeah.
Big scale.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Ano?
Update tayo kay Toti. Gumagalaw si Toti.
Inaantay ko lang yung belt ko, guys. Inaantay ko lang yung belt. And then sasalang na ako.
Your Wi-Fi wasn't.
Pumaldo na ba lahat? Pumaldo na ba ang lahat?
Your Wi-Fi wasn't.
That link, guys, on my
ano,
blue page,
either.
bibigay yun.
Ano,
Kala
either.
nyo, nagbibigay yun.
You
Si Miss B is in the crowd. She's waiting for me to go on.
What's going on in Texas?
And I'm nervous. She actually sent me a message like, dalian mo na! Sabi ko, wait lang, wala akong belt.
Oh, people.
Wala akong belt. Gusto niyo ba, nasa stage ako ng ganyan, tapos biglang, oh, treasure!
Dead bud.
Treasure!
Pipa.
Okay, last one. This traditional KL?
No.
Traditional KL? Eddie says no. Or
Gee.
this one.
Swaggy world.
This one? Oh, it's mixed. KL, Mr. BKL hat. Oh, it's mixed.
Listen.
Oh! Oh, what's up, Rovic? Yeah. You know what? Hindi dapat ako magla-live kaso nakita ko marami nagla-live doon. Eh di sabi ko, eh di ako na lang mag-live para galing sa akin. And syempre, Kung gusto niyo mag-gift, kung gusto niyo lang. Walang sa pilitan.
It's more real.
If you felt something, if you felt like if you felt a feeling, if art performance made you feel something, don't be
Give me
shy.
$15.
Don't be shy.
If you feel something, give me 15. So you can buy my love.
Little Eddie's on sale today.
$14.97.
Original SRP price for 3 hours, $15.
Yeah.
Today he's on sale for
15 cents.
15. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Yeah. I'm nervous because who gave me that, Miss Winter? I'm nervous because Miss B is in the crowd. That's why I'm nervous. Okay, malapit na, Lara.
Medj.
Maybe we could tell the band to stand by now.
Dito pa lang siya sa may coffee projects lakefront pa din. Pero, wait lang, refresh. Doon pa rin siya. Hindi siya gumagalaw.
Come on, he's at a stoplight. Maybe the band can go on stage that way. Where's my in-ears? Lara, can you put this in my... Drop this behind my back, please. Getting ready, guys. Pakitin ko si Miss B, tapos anong gagawin? Pakantayin ko. Pakantayin ko?
Asan yung ano?
Andun sa kanila. See?
Pag mag-treasure ka, biglang bumagsak. Di na namin alam, naglalakad ka na lang.
What time start? Anytime. Inaantay ko lang yung belt ko, guys. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung belt. 6:45 siya umalis dito. Hanggang ngayon wala pa. Nag-angkas lang yun, so... Antay natin.
Mamaya ko
Pero,
na lang tayo.
malapit na siya. Malapit na yun.
Pag ano, malaya.
Yeah.